15, 15. This is the day. Again, it's you can feel it hitting against the door already, which means it's... Oh my god. If anyone saw yesterday, we are completing a set by the looks of it. This is Piglet. That's not bad for what it is, you know, if you've got a use for it, I guess. It's not the worst thing I've had in here by far. It's better quality than some of the other stuff I've had. But again, I got EO yesterday. This is... It's alright. I don't know, they're definitely in the top 3. I mean, I've had that car, I had that. There's a lot of Disney stuff in here. And I'll see you tomorrow. It's not the worst I've had.